Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to clean a dishwasher. A lot of people, actually I'm really surprised, didn't know that when you pull the rack out of the dishwasher, this section here has to be cleaned, otherwise it won't wash your dishes really well. So the first thing we're going to do is fill the sink with some warm soapy water. So we pulled the tray out, and then here there's like a little arrow to turn this round, so you spin it round and you take this out and put that in the sink, and then this section comes out, and also this. Now this normally is covered in grease, and that's why your items aren't washing properly, so we'll put that in the sink as well. And then we're going to give everything a quick wash. Here are my items in the soapy water. So we're just going to clean this and all round, turn it round, give that a good clean. And just rinse it off. So you can see here, that bit there, that's just full of grease, so we just want to make sure we've got all that off. It's just a build-up. So that's all off there. And then there was this that I initially took out. I'll just rub all that around. Clean inside. Sometimes you'll have debris inside this section here. So just go all the way around. A good clean, and then I'm just going to rinse that off. So when I said about the grease on this section, I didn't realise you couldn't see it on the video. It was all round here, so we just want to give that a good scrub and round the edge on the opposite side here. And then it was this item. So this obviously you just have to be really gentle with. So I'm just going round with the sponge. And then the inside as well. And then I'm going to rinse that off under the warm tap to make sure all the soap is off there. So that's all nice and clean now, so you can see. And you should do this at least once a month, just to make sure there's not a build-up. So while the other items are on the drainer, I'm going to get a cloth and just bring it out. And then I'm going to clean along the edge, the inside edge, and just the hinges and down the side. So just giving that a wipe. Normally the hinges will have splats of food on there, so you just want to give that a wipe. And underneath, and you can see all the dirt that's in there, just a build up. So we just want to make sure we get our fingers in with the cloth. I'm just gonna, so you see all of this is just the dirt that's built up in the dishwasher underneath the door. So I'm just going to rinse that off in the soapy water. Give a cloth a good squeeze, and then I'm going to do the opposite side. I'm going to push this in, and I'm going to do round the actual door on the edge. And the other side. Just giving it a good wipe down. There we go. And then let's put the items back in. So it was this here. We'll put that back in. Let's move the camera up so you can see. And then this. And then turn. Now I'm going to put this dishwasher cleaner inside. So we just, it doesn't have to be this brand. There's lots of different brands. You just pick the top off, the seal, pop it in there. And then I'm going to put the dishwasher on a minimum, it says on the instructions, is 65. So I'm just going to put it on the auto wash and put that on a cycle, and that should be all cleaned.